In front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then tap on this switcher at the top right corner and go back by choosing this arrow at the top left one. Following that, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to pin it, tap on this pen at the top right corner, select your sentence and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it though, tap on the pen again, click on your text and use pin icon next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!